So, wait. Fortnite, stop trying to ruin it! Fortnite trying to ruin everything. Fortnite. I like it. There. Send and close. Alright. Sorry about that. But, hey, how's it going? It's me, Tim Alex. And I just need to tell you something very, very, very embarrassing. Which go it, but I can trust on you guys. So, this is the messed up part. I can't believe this, but I was never recording the whole entire time when I was doing that. So if you see me in level 5, I was not recording. So that's the only damn problem. That's the only issue, because like I'm level 5 now, and then I wasn't even recording it, and I'm like, frick. So major lag could happen. And yeah, look, I got these too. So now I have to restart everything all over again. Oh man. So first let's go, actually no. Actually I want to keep what level? I'm level 7. Make that level 7, guys. Dynamite! Iron dynamite. Called iron dynamite. Boom! Break the window! Okay, maybe not. Boom, I just got a lot. What? You can't kill people! You can't kill people in this game. Wow, I'm already in level 8. Boom. So let's just hop. Hop, hop, hop. Let's go on you and then hop. Upgrade. So yeah, this game is basically so easy to do. Like, nope. Ooh, the crane. Crane. Yeah, I'm gonna go get this now. The crane. Oh, we can climb. No. No way. We can. Guys, no way. What? Whoa! Wait. Wait a minute. Wait, what? Ow. No. Ah! No. Frick. No. I was not supposed to do that. Let's go back. Back up. Exploded. No. No, frick! Frick! Then I blew it up. Oh, no. Let's hit it from the skyscraper. Oh! Man, it's gonna be a gangster. Very skilled. Oh, that's so cool! Alright, boom. I'm on top. What is the highest thing in here? In the
message from the Condiment King. It says PBBBFFFTTTT.
What? What the frick? Said who? What? Who's the Cotton King? The Cotton King. Who is the Cotton King? Guys, leave a like if you, comment down below if you know who the Cotton King is. Cause I need to know who the Cotton King is, cause I'm speaking to a king right now. Oh! No! I will blow you up. Yeah, boy. Wow. Wow. That was a phenomenal recap. So let's just go up here. And we are going to be clicking you. Done. Oh my god! Oh wait. Guys, something very sad happened. Pokemon Galaxy is over. Mail. Also, we could go shop now. Yummy. Let's go with. Who's going in? Max. No. It's that. bomb. Boom, I'm out of here. Get away from me. I'm out. I'm out. Are you? Is it Tanya. Well, I'm sorry, guys. But we have to go end the video here. So smash that like button, comment down below, and I'll see you on next time. Bye! Peace out, guys. Love you.